Oreo Popsicle without having a mold. I'm sure everyone will love it. For this recipe, I'm going to use 3 packages of 90 grams of Oreo cookies here. I'm using each flavor, and I'm going to be hitting this little hammer here, but you can use any utensil to be hitting our cookies, huh? And guys, you're already commenting to me what city you're watching us from here, and what's the weather like in your city. Weather is hot, weather is cold. Tell me that, I'll send a super special hug to all of you in the comments. Now, I'll be doubling here, right? Which is to know the right size and put it here on mine so I can cut it with scissors. I'm going to cut it like this here. And add it in a way that it stands up. I'm going to reserve it, and I'm going to make the other part of the recipe now. I'll add 100 grams of powdered milk, 300 ml of water. And I'm going to mix it very well, and I'm sure everyone in your family, especially the kids, will love this popsicle. It was delicious. I will add 395 grams of condensed milk. And also 200 grams of milk cream. And today I'm going to send a super special hug to 2 people who are always commenting, always interacting with my recipes. A big hug for Natalie Castaneda in Florida. And also for Marta Parra in Texas. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. I will now transfer to a container with a spout. And now here I'll be using popsicle sticks. If you don't have a popsicle stick in your house, don't you need it? I'm putting it here just because it makes it easier to eat. Now, I'm going to add our cream over here. You keep adding it, you add it because the cookie sucks up some of that cream, right? So you're always adding a little more. There, it stays like this, and I'll be taking it to the freezer for about 4 hours. Our Oreo Popsicle is ready and it was delicious. I'm sure you all will love it, it looks wonderful. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.